Welcome to Universal Studios Hollywood.
Live your life within the moment. Ain't no waiting till the morning. You never know when it is over. All that I know is feeling over. So let us dance this night away. Move to the groove and the light that flickers. Lost in the crowd, it's getting thicker. But get away from the drinks and chatter.
Quick room tour sa aming Airbnb. This is the living room. There's TV. Dining. Then may kusina, staircase. Yan. Natin yung kwarto. Ito CR muna. CR. Here's the shower area. Yan. Then the bedroom is here. I think this is the same unit we stayed at.
Ano na sa mo?
Ay, hindi. Iba yung sofa. Ang kulay ng sofa nun eh. Parang printed siya. Same layout lang din. Ayan. Ay, oh, sinabi niya na ako convert to eh. So, parang one night lang ata tayo natulog dun sa kwarto. Tapos, nandito. Dito na kami sa Airbnb namin in LA, guys. And, iwan na namin yung gamit namin. And then, alis na kami. Punta na kami Universal Studios. Hanapin muna namin yung Airbnb host namin kasi we are paying in cash. This Airbnb is where we stayed at the last time na nag-LA kami, which is in 2022. So, ito yung nakausap namin yung isa sa, feeling ko siya yung may-ari. Pinoy siya. Tapos parang sabi niya, gusto niyo magstay ulit dito, bigyan ko kayong discount, ganyan. So, the first time we booked is an Airbnb, sa Airbnb app. So, this time, binook na namin direct. Ka-text lang namin siya kasi kinuha ko yung number niya. So, tinext namin siya na magpupunta ulit kami ng LA, ganyan. So, so binigyan niya kami ng discount. So, book kami direct. So, sabi niya, sige, punta na lang kayo diretso, tapos just pay in cash. So, ayun. Hanapin lang namin siya para makapagbayad na kasi gabi na kami uuwi because mag-Universal Studios kami for today. Ito yung outfit ko for today. It's naka-Hogwarts uniform ako. I got this in Epic Universe in Orlando. So, cute lang. Hogwarts top. So, ayan. Magbabayad na kami sa Airbnb namin and then diretso na kami ng Universal Studios. Catch you guys later. Bye-bye! Voodoo Donuts. Ang sarap ng donut na yan, guys. Totally set. Yeah.
Fun fact.
Ano yung fun fact mo?
Did you know that Voodoo Donuts originated in Oregon, Portland?
Really?
Yes.
How'd you know?
Andun yung, kasi famous sila for it. Grabe yung pila dun. Kasi yung mga local mismo pumipila. Umaabot ng isang block yung pila nila.
Bilhin natin sa gitnang little something.
Ayan, basta.
Wicked Store! Kit, this is for you. Cute na to, oh. $100.
See?
Parang ang busy masyado. For, I think.
Oh, yan.
Kano yan?
I don't know. 75.
75.
Or a cap.
Cute. 20. So 30. T-shirt. This is 40. Ay, ang cute. Oh my God, may coat. Blanky. Ito na lang kaya si
Pinicture mo daw.
blanket, oh.
Ah, ayan. Pwede.
$48.
Si Piero.
Jonathan Bailey as Fierro. And this is a costume of Michelle Yeoh as Madame Morrible.
Tsaka yung wizard.
And the kay Jeff Goldblum, the Wizard of Oz. May Stanley Cup. I think he would want this.
Oh, it's nice.
Magkano to? Anong price?
55.
Mas mahal kaysa dyan, ah. Pero,
Ang ganda.
parang walang word na wicked. Like, how would you know if
Yung
it's
color.
wicked?
Yung ano nila, mga color.
Ganda. Passport holders. Tsaka luggage tag. Ang kulit nung ano, lakas makamayaman. Tingnan mo yung ano, yung mug. Parang lakas mga ano,
Kupita.
palasyo. Ang kulit eh.
Ang ganda ng color sa loob.
Ano naman to? Apin. The perfect hideaway. Wicked for good. Spirit jerseys. Ito yung luma, di ba? Mga sweatshirts. Oh, may mga tiaras. May shorts pa. Ay, may Loungefly na Wicked, oh. Ang kulit ng Glinda na ano. Kulay puti. Ano yan?
Barong.
Tarong.
Picture mo ako dito, see?
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Krusty Burger.
Simpsons.
Such a different vibe. I love it. We're heading to the studio tour, guys. Unahin muna namin yun kasi walang wait time. Para tapos na. Tapos, mamaya, we'll explore the rest of the park. Studio tour is fun. Back to the future na sasakyan.
DeLorean.
Ang tawag dyan?
DeLorean.
In the NBC comedy series The Good Place with Kristen Bell and Ted Danson, this was the afterlife.
Set of the good place. Alin ba ito?
I'm not
The entire thing.
I can't risk going to a bad place. You know how it works. If we hear that scary Jaws music, then we'll know there's a shark in the water. You know that da-da. Oh, I hear it. That means there's a shark in the water. Creepy. Okay, so I guess there's a shark in the water, but we're totally safe. Just to be extra cautious, we're gonna get behind these gasoline tanks. Oh, there's the shark right there. Sneak up on us. This is a demonstration of weather effects, a very important part of movie making. The filmmakers need a thunderstorm, they need rain, this is how it's done. So the rain is coming out of these little high-tech devices called sprinklers. The thunder is coming out of speakers that are built into the sets, and the lightning flashes are coming from strobe lights. The sprinklers are shooting the rain up a little, so it's falling more slowly than real rain would fall. Real rain actually moves so fast that you can't really see it on camera. It's pretty much invisible on camera. Also, real raindrops are sometimes so small you can't even see them with the naked eye. So these raindrops are nice and big. Again, all to make sure it's visible on camera. Lighting is also crucial. You gotta light the rain from the back. If you light it from the front, it disappears. So it's very tricky. I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention. That looks like a flash flood. Flash flood was actually the first major attraction added to the tour in 1968. Once again, please stay seated during the tour for your safety. And
Ito yung Desperate Housewives at Mystery Lane.
also, the film Rob Zombie's House of a Thousand Corpses, filmed at the Chicken Ranch. Up next, though, we're going to drive down our other fake suburban street. This one was Wisteria Lane on Desperate Housewives for 8 hit seasons. It's officially called Colonial Street. It's a very popular filming location. We actually have not had access to it in a few days because the production was just up here doing some filming. TV shows have filmed up here recently, like a brand new show called Stuart Fails to Save the Universe. That's going to be a spin-off of The Big Bang Theory. Another new show that hasn't come out yet that'll stream on Peacock called The Burbs. Did a lot of filming here. That's going to star Emmy winner Keke Palmer. The Burbs is an adaptation of a movie of the same name that also filmed here, starring Carrie Fisher and Tom Hanks. Casper with Christina Ricci also shot on Colonial Street, so did a music video from the Nellyville album with Nelly and Kelly Rowland. A lot of these houses are what we call practical sets. That's a set that does have an interior for filming inside and out. Others are facades. That's a kind of set where we just build the front and the sides of the structure, just the exterior. The large and small screen on the right, among others, we've got Magnum PI's Ferrari and futuristic flying cars from Back to the Future Part 2. On the left, we've got prehistoric Flintstones cars, Fast and Furious cars, and 2 Transformers at the end of the lineup. Bumblebee and Barricade the Decepticon. And we have the Bates Motel, and on the hill beyond it to the right, Psycho House. That's where Norman's mother lives. Hey, there's Norman Bates. He just came out of that room.
So creepy. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness, I think we should go. I like this confrontational attitude. Yeah, we'll get away, don't worry. Luckily there's nobody in part 4 for him to possibly get. Bye, Norman. Bye-bye, crazy man. And that is a real plane. It was a retired commercial 747.
Is all designed around suburban Steve.
And again, that is a real plane. Steven Spielberg, one of the real things, so we got it, of course. And as we drive through Jupiter's Claim, Jordan Peele is going to tell us all about it.
Movie magic only happens when a team of collaborators, often in the hundreds, work together to take an impossible notion and bring it to life. This is Jupiter's Claim.
Have you seen
A
this?
nostalgic,
Movie ba to?
small-time
Series?
Southern California amusement park owned by former child star Ricky Juke Park. Over there, look into the Winking Well and have your picture taken just like the kids in that old 90s movie Kid Share.
Hey, studio tour done. Ikot-ikot mo na. Hi guys, kain muna kami. Nandito kami sa Simpsons area kung saan tinitinda yung large donut. It's this big pink donut na favorite namin. Sobrang sarap niya. Para siyang, kalasa siya ng voodoo donut sa may Bukanan. So, yun. Kakain muna kami. Kakatapos lang ng studio tour. So, yung studio tour, nagawa namin siya in 2022 and we had a lot of fun. Sabi namin, ulitin natin ngayon para ma-videohan namin. So, doon ginagawa karamihan ng mga film and TV series from Netflix, Peacock. So like, ang daming mga mga props ng mga classic movies. So, as you can see, nandun yung sa Bates Motel, nandun yung mga sasakyan ng cars, Tsaka yung Back to the Future ata. Tapos Jaws, nandun din. So yung mga classic movies. So masaya siyang puntahan. Para siyang it's a ride and a tour. At the same time, bukas may pupuntahan kaming isa pa. Bukas pupunta ulit kami sa Universal Studio Tour. Warner Brothers naman actually. Warner Brothers Hollywood Tour pala yung bukas. Nagawa na rin namin yon dati. Pero sabi nila may mga bago doon na dagdag. So we wanna check it out. So antayin nyo yan bukas. Yun yung itinerary namin for tomorrow after work. After namin kumain, punta na kami dito sa Wizarding World of Harry Potter, which is katabi lang nito. So yun naman yung explore namin. Hindi na ako magra-rides. Hindi na ako magra-ride ng Forbidden Journey kasi I do know na nakakahilo yun at hindi pa ako nakaka-recover from yesterday's trauma. Charot. Pero, syempre, explore namin Harry Potter. See what's new. Baka may bagong merch. So, excited to check that. Hey, donuts is here. Yeah. Kasi lakas siya ng palad ko, guys. Tap, kain tayo. Nag-aloha mora sila to open the locks using their wands. Hindi namin dala yung wands namin, naiwan namin sa bahay. But you can play around all over the park. Ay, naku, Kuya Squib. Ayaw open. Yun. There's the Monsters, Book of Monsters na nakakulong. I haven't seen these before. Mga backpacks. Pati yung hoodie nila, bago na din yung design. Pero medyo bago since the last we've been here. Parang mas maganda yung sa kids. Magkano na ba ito ngayon? $70. This is 15 yung baso. Cap is $30. Ayan siya. Mga ganitong t-shirt na gano'n. It's $40. More merch over here. Gloves, bonnet. Mga pins. Ay, ang ganda nito. Pin. Kano to? $11. Una. Nagwawala yung monster. Nagwawala yung libro. $35 yung unan. Meron pang babies. Goodies. Backpack. Yeah. Baso. $45. Ito ba? Ngayon ko lang nakita ito. I have this exact thing. I bought it in Orlando. $15. Keychains.
Like say you have a list. Exactly. So and the things you put movies that you want to watch, you can make the list.
Mga tags.
Like a digital list.
Yung mga tags na gano'n. Ano tawag dyan? Parang keychain at
I have all the movies that I watch.
The robes are here. Magkano na yung robes ngayon? Pwede siya. Pwede ma-engrave yung pangalan mo.
Yes,
Part of me wants to buy para pag Halloween meron akong outfit. Kasi ang dami nagsusuot dito pag Halloween eh. Scarf, reversible scarf. Ito meron ako nito. Na hindi ko na alam kung saan nakalagay. Yung nabili naman sa Japan dati. Grabe, $90 for this cardigan. Ang mahal naman. Yung Ron Weasley na sweater. $90. My gosh. So mahal. May mga dress sila, guys. May uniform. Natin. And this is $60. Cute. Ito yung dress ni Hermione ng Yule Ball. It's $100, $99.95. May pila na kami sa Flight of the Hippogriff. Yan na lang yung i-ride namin. Mas acceptable siya kaysa dun sa Forbidden Journey na major nakakahilo.
Whoa! One more! And that's it.
Done with that ride. Super quick lang. Ngayon, pasok kami sa castle. Alam ko meron ditong parang castle, parang tour lang eh, yung hindi ka magra-rides. Tatanungin natin kasi ayoko sumakay.
There must be quite crowded to having Harry Potter.
Ang galing nito. Paano kaya nila nagagawa yan? Mga LCD screens ba yan na ano? Bakit parang matte yung finish? Dumbledore. Fat lady. The portrait of the Gryffindor house. Ayan yung itsura ng ride na yan, guys.
A personalization.
Pero nung nag-Orlando kami nung May, nakakuha kami ng free one. Parang may promo sila nun. Ano nga yung promo nila nun?
$400.
Thank you, Harry Potter, Ron, Hermione, Ginny, Fleur. Gusto ko yung kay Voldemort eh. Saan na yun? Ito.
Yan.
Ganda yung kay Voldemort. Sayang, di namin nadala. Susunod na Harry Potter natin. Wala natin. Ating kalimutan, no? Para makapag-participate tayo. Kasi all throughout the park, meron mga sections dito na pwede mo magamit yung wand mo to play some magic tricks. So, ang dami naglalaro. Ang dami ng tao ngayon.
Holiday
Okay.
kasi.
I think we're done
Okay, here.
for Hogwarts. We're done at Hogwarts.
Hogwarts.
Check na natin yung Jurassic Park the ride. We're here. Jurassic World. Yan. Masaya tong ride na to, guys. Yung sa mga favorite namin. But you will get wet. Like, legit wet.
You are clear for entry.
Please remain calm. We have assets out of containment and help is on the way. In the meantime, please. Oh my gosh.
Oh my God. We survived Jurassic Park the ride nang hindi masyadong nababasa. Nag-request kami sa gitna umupo. And okay lang, konti lang ang damage. Pati yung masama.
Yeah.
Para lang siya
Para ako
umihi. Para lang siya umihi. Tapos ako ito lang. Saan ba yun? Ayan o.
Sa yung konting basa sa katawan. Diba? So much better than the last time na nagganyan kami.
Drench.
Kasi lahat, sapatos, medyas, lahat, hanggang underwear basa.
Nagpalit siya ng buong
Bumili ako ng
outfit
buong
niya.
outfit.
Napabili siya
Bumili
ng
ako slippers,
lahat.
medyas.
Magastos. Kaya, pero it's one of our favorite rides.
Yes.
Kasi masaya. Masarap. Masaya. Yun lang talaga yung risk. Ang bababasa ka. Lunch muna kami, guys. Panda Express for lunch.
12428.
Yan. Nakakita kami ng Panda Express dito. Mukhang sulit naman.
14337.
Bumili si Paul nito. Ano sabi mo? Refillable to? Tama ba? Ano to?
Hindi naman, may mura lang yung refill.
Ah, mura yung
Baka may
refill.
free na slot.
Ano tong nasa loob niya ngayon?
Coke.
Coke. Okay. Ayan. Kain muna kami. For Nintendo World. Hey! Wow. Pasok mo, tumunog yung tag, tag, tag. Ano yun? This is officially our third Nintendo World. The first one is in Osaka, second is in Epic Universe in Orlando, and this is the third one. Pero meron pa sa Shanghai?
Hindi ko alam.
Yung Nintendo World ba sa Shanghai? Ay, sa Beijing pala yung Universal Studios dun. Ay. This is much smaller though, no?
Oo.
First things first. Let's check out the merch. Yung kumot. Siyempre, meron na ako niyan. Nakabili na ako niyan. I have... Ano bang tawag dito? Since hindi sila Mickey ears. Mario and Luigi ears. Ang cute! Merong stars. $30 sila. Another blanket. Kay yung Yoshi blanket. Bakit ba adik na adik ako sa blanket? Oh my God. Parang naalala ko nilalaro namin yung ganito ng bata. Eh, hindi. Para siya. Hindi, iba pala to. It reminds me of yung laro na parang isda na umiikot. Tapos susungkitin mo. Parang ganito yung itsura nun eh. Ito meron dito. May bago ba? May ganito si Paul, guys. Pinili niya sa Epic Universe. Yun yung ginamit niya nung Halloween nung November, nung nag-trick or treat kami. Cute! Ito parang hindi ko to nakita before. Si Bowser. So, sa US, Bowser ang tawag sa kanya. Pero sa Japan, it's Koopa. I don't know bakit magkaiba. Plushies. How much ang plushies? Plushies are $25. Cute nito. Magnetic list pad set. Parang kailangan kong bumili nito. Para sa amin. Imamagnet namin sa ref. Kailangan namin ng grocery. Magkano to? $15. I think I might get one. Parang ang cute niya eh. $45. May mga designs. Ang cute. Parang alam ko mas mura sa Japan. Yung mga ganito nila. Kasi parang magkano ba yun? Nakalimutan ko na eh. Kasi parang kinumpit ko nun parang wala pa, parang 1,000 pesos lang ata yun. Ito 45. Mas mahal siya. Ito yung classic na Nintendo World hoodie. Meron din sila nung red version. Manipis yung sa red. May t-shirt sila na version. May ganito kami na Japan version. Mas maganda yung sa Japan kasi embossed yung kanila. Dito parang printed lang. Parang mas madaling mag-fade. Pero, cute. Dapat pala, ay hindi, kasi medyo pambahay na yung ganito namin eh. Ay, oh my God. Tote bag ba to? Ay, medyo tsaka. Hindi maganda yung quality. Magkano to? Magkano to? 45? Mahal naman, hindi masyadong maganda.
Bakit yung quality? Parang
Oo, ba't ganun? Mas maganda yung quality ng mga nasa sa Japan. Collectible figure, ang ganda oh. Malaki lang bahay natin eh oh. Ito yung lagi kong ginagamit na mag sa bahay ngayon kasi nakaka-happy siyang gamitin. $20. Ang cute na to. Kung bibili kayo ng isang item sa Super Mario merch, eto talaga yun. Ang cute niya talaga. Nakaka-happy siyang inuman. $20. Eto. Kano to? This one is 25. Love it. Ganda ng ano dito ah. Starting na. May 117 ako. 120 ka. Ha?
game din eh. Mga power bank din.
Daming games ng power band. Guys, look. Super Mario, merienda. So this is calzone. This is whatever Luigi na drink. Gusto ko si Luigi. Ah, you can design it. Sige nga, ikaw mag-design.
I-prepare mo daw kasi
Saan siya nilalagay?
yan.
Ganyan lang.
Imimix.
Mix. Isa Ripipis.
Smile. Got our print. It's 4 o'clock and we're officially done for today. Siguro kasi nagawa na namin halos lahat na napunta kami before. So, nire-relieve lang namin yung moment. So, hindi na and walang mga wait time. So, miss namin natapos. Tapos wala naman silang ganap sa gabi. So, we're heading out. Uwi na kami.